Now, you may have seen some chiropractic cracks on the internet or something like that, where it can be pretty daunting at first to hear the cracking noises and popping sounds. We do receive a world-class education on the spine and on the joints of the spine, how to properly move those in a safe manner. But as a chiropractor, that's not just the one tool that we have. There's lots of different things we can do to achieve the results that help get you moving and functioning back the way you want to be. Some of those different treatment methods include soft tissue work, dry needling, massage, a lot of exercises, active release techniques. We also have some muscle energy techniques. There's a lot we can do to help with your body and your function other than just the adjustments themselves.